Hey guys, it's your boy Redstone Reaper here, and today I'm making another video. But this time I'm going to be showing to you guys some of my special talents because I am very unique to everybody, and so are you, I think. Okay. So my first talent is fake burps. Do you want to hear it? I'll take that as a yes. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed me burping. Now, time for some armpit farts. I'm guessing not many of you guys can do this, so yeah, you're gonna see what it sounds like. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed my armpit farts too. Now let's see if I can do both fake burps and armpit farts at the same time. 3, 2, 1, go. So there you go, guys. I am very special. Bleep. I have, those are two of my talents. Don't worry, I have more. I'm a good artist as well. So yeah, hope you think I'm talented, and I'll see you for another video. Peace.